Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox in your computer. If you want to use 2 and 3 operating system in your computer, you need VirtualBox and it's very efficient for using it. For that, you can simply search here or type here VirtualBox into search option, and then you can simply click enter, and then you'll get a website from Oracle VirtualBox. You can simply click on it, and then you will get the download option. Click on that. So now what you're going to do, you're going to get two options called VirtualBox Platform Packages and VirtualBox Extension Pack. So we're going to download VirtualBox Platform Packages. So we're going to click on Windows Host, click on that. And as you can see, the download has been started. It's about 168 MB and it will take some seconds to complete. For that, keep patience. And as you can see, the download has been completed. And now if you click on the folder icon, we're going to get the installation wizards. If you click on it 2 times, I'm going to minimize all the background app. So as you can see, there will be an installation wizard. You can simply click on next and going to click I accept the terms of the license agreement. Click next another time, and if you want to change the location, you can simply do it, but I'm going to not doing it, and going to click on next and yes for the missing dependence, and going to click on or select all the startup options and click next and install. So it's an Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.2. It's about to using 2 or 3 operating system in your computer. It's very efficient. So after completing the download and installation, you will get an icon over here. As you can see, if we just click on finish, it will be open like this, as you can see. So if you want to know how to use it, you can simply comment me into video section. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.